Double integration allows us to find the volume under a surface f, x, y, over a specific region R in the two-dimensional plane. We represent this as the integral of the function with respect to the area element dA. To solve these, we must first define the boundaries of our region R. In this example, we see a region bounded vertically by two functions of x, labeled g1 and g2, and horizontally by the vertical lines x equals a and x equals b. We translate the double integral into an iterated integral. We first integrate with respect to y, using the functions g1, x, and g2, x, as our limits, which captures the height of the region at any point x. Let's solve a specific problem, evaluating the function x plus 2y over a region R bounded by the parabola y equals x squared and the line y equals 2x. First, we identify the intersection points at 0 and 2. We will integrate with respect to y first. Looking at our vertical strip, the bottom boundary is the parabola x squared, and the top boundary is the line 2x. Our x values range from the first intersection at 0 to the second at 2. Now we perform the inner integration with respect to y. The antiderivative of x plus 2y is xy plus y squared. We then substitute our upper limit 2x and our lower limit x squared into the expression. After substituting the limits, we simplify the algebraic expression. Multiplying the terms gives us 2x squared plus for x squared minus the quantity x cubed plus x to the fourth. This simplifies to 6x squared minus x cubed minus x to the fourth. The final step is to integrate this resulting single variable function with respect to x over the interval from 0 to 2. This represents summing all the vertical slices across the width of the region. We find the antiderivative of each term, 6x squared becomes 2x cubed becomes 1/4 x to the fourth, and x to the fourth becomes 1/5 x to the fifth. Now we plug in our bounds. By calculating the values at the upper bound and subtracting the values at 0, we get 16 minus 4 minus 6.4. This gives us a final result of 5.6, which is the total volume under the surface over region R. To recap, always start by sketching your region to identify your boundaries. Determine your limits of integration based on which variable you choose to integrate first, then solve the nested integrals one at a time. Mastering double integrals is essential for calculating volume, mass, and center of gravity in multivariable calculus. Thank you for watching this lesson, generated by Vision Solve AI.